Imagine watching your mother die of cancer and then finding out you have a different form of the disease. That happened to the woman you're about to meet. She was diagnosed with an aggressive form of breast cancer twice, but she used the strength she gained from her mother's experience to make positive changes in her life, including losing more than 100 pounds. More from Mayo Clinic.
London and Paris and Rome and Nice and Venice.
It was a European vacation Nanette Dionne's mother was supposed to take 20 years ago, but cancer, leukemia, ended her life too soon.
And this was her trip, and she never got to take it.
So Nanette took the trip for her and journeyed to all the landmarks her mom never got to see. A celebration of a life lost and one lived. You see, Nanette had cancer too, breast cancer, but with the strength she inherited from her mom, Nanette fought it 2 times.
And I have to do everything possible I knew to fight this disease.
Fighting breast cancer meant undergoing treatment, surgery, radiation, and chemotherapy. Then Nanette took other proactive steps toward staying healthy. She started to eat right, exercise, and underwent bariatric surgery.
I've lost over 150 pounds now.
There's a lot of data that does show that, obesity and high-fat diets may impact overall survival.
Dr. Barbara Pockaj says while obesity may play a role in increasing your risk of getting breast cancer, other factors such as family history and genetics also influence who'll get the disease.
But if you want to look at how can you reduce your risk, that is one way. I think healthy living does help.
I am right back here in this back row.
Nanette says her European vacation was so much more than just a trip. It was a symbol of her reclaiming her health and going on to live out her mother's dream.
I actually started crying because I looked up and I knew I was there. I had made it.
Dr. Pockaj says that Nanette's weight loss will improve her health in many ways, including her heart health. However, there's no information on how gastric bypass and dramatic weight change affects breast cancer prognosis. And she also says Nanette is a great example of how even when you're fighting a disease like cancer, you can take steps to improve your health. For Medical Edge, I'm Vivien Williams.